Okay, so in this section of the lab we're going to set up the Windows server to generate a message in the security log when someone tries to modify a file. And we're using this as the basis for a lot of the message generation in the labs in this course. So we begin by switching on the local security policy. So the first thing I need to do is I need to RDP to the OM Windows box. Make sure you're on OM Win1 when you do this. So once I've got that RDP connection open, I then go to Start, Administration Tools, and I'm looking for Local Security and Policy, which is this one here, Local Security Policy. And then from here I go to Security Settings. So Security Settings, find Local Policies, which is there. Extend out Audit Policy, which is that one there. And then from here I want to double click on Audit Object Access. So that's Audit Object Access. Double click on it. And then what I want to do is I want to tick the two check boxes, Success and Failure. Okay, so now I've enabled the auditing system to monitor when a audit policy has been successful or when it was denied. Once we've done that, we can then close this. So File, Exit, Close. And I'm going to create a folder for the lab. So I go to My Computer, Drive C, and I want to create a folder called Audit Test. So right hand mouse button, New Folder. I'm going to call the folder Audit_Test. That's Audit capital Test. Okay, now I've got the folder created. I need to set up the security settings for it. So I right click on it, go to Properties. Then from here I want to click on the Security tab. And I want to set up auditing for a particular user. So I click on the Advanced button. Click on the Auditing tab. Click on the Edit button. So that's the Auditing tab. Click on the Edit button. And then from here I want to add a new user. So I click Add. And the user I want to put in here is the admin user when he logs into the domain. So the user account is omtest/administrator. So that's omtest/administrator. Click Check Names to make sure he's found it. It all looks good. Click OK. And what I want to do is I want to select everything down the right hand side, and I also want to include in the successful bit when a folder is deleted, subfolders and files are deleted. So I'm looking for delete subfolders and files, which is this one here, and when there's a deletion operation. And I want to restrict these particular audit controls just to any files or directory which are contained immediately beneath this folder. Click OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Close all the windows. Now I'm going to test it. So to test it, I'm going to open up the audit test file.